What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't yet, subscribe to your boy. So I don't know if many of y'all know on this channel, but my sister, she has a E39, also a wagon. Hers is a 2001 BMW 525i T for touring. So we about to put some new taillights on her. So let me show y'all the taillights. Alright y'all, these are it right here. These are the taillights. As y'all can tell, they're LED, so it's gonna look like that. That versus these. These aren't bad, but you can tell that kind of has something going on there. But hopefully these are pretty good. Let me give y'all a little quick tour of my sister's car, how it overall looks. She has the same wheels I do, just in 18s and like machine. They're not high gloss black, and hers is staggered. She got the eyebrows. Yeah, she got a clean wagon. Alright, so now we're gonna pop the trunk and get to it. Real quick also, let me show y'all what I use for this whole process. Just a 3/8 ratchet with a little extension on it, 8mm, also an 8mm wrench, and then just like a little 1/4 inch ratchet with a T10 Torx. This is all you should need for this whole process. Also real quick, if I can get the link to these taillights, I'll put them down in the description below. Yeah, she got a little stereo, a little 10-inch sub in here. Thing bangs pretty good. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to take this cover off right here. It's going to be the same thing on this side. And how you do that is like somewhere around here, you just kind of pop it out. It's got a little clip like that. And then you might not see this. Now to be honest, I honestly don't know what this is, but you take it off by screwing this off. And you see that? It kind of goes off. You can put it to the side a little bit. So got your battery and whatnot. Then you got this cover. This cover got this little pin thing on it. Looked like it just had that one. Then you got some nuts in here. You got 1, 2, 3. You want to take those out. So this is what I'm using real quick. It is a 8mm right there for these 3 nuts right here. Alright, so I took them out. Do your best not to drop these. I almost did. It's kind of easy since they're small. But now, since those are off, this part of the tail light, you should be able to just kind of wiggle it off. Actually, scratch that. There's this little piece right here, and there's one down here, but I believe you only have to take out this top one. And let me check real quick what that is. So that right there is a T10. So behind this, y'all can tell it goes right there. So I should be able to just pull this out now. Also, don't forget to disconnect this. It's got like this switch right here. And this, I believe you just turn. Yep. So you turn that and then this comes off. These are where the bulbs are. And then now you should be able to just pull this off. Yep, so once you pull that off, this comes right off. And boom. That's what it looks like. No more. Alright, so with these, I think this is just, it just goes in with the LED. Same thing with this one. He has like a motherboard looking thing. So I believe you just put these into here, and that's how it's gonna work. Before putting any of the new stuff in, just clean this up a little bit. Yeah, y'all, fits pretty good. I mean, I didn't tighten it yet, but when I tighten it, it's gonna go back like that. Be a good fit. So now I'm gonna put these, and I'm gonna connect them to this and see how it works. Noah, come here, pal. I got one side. I need you to go in the car and press the brake. You know how to do this?
Yeah. Wait, I need to turn it on?
Just press the brake. Whoo! Yeah, you wanna see him?
I do reverse like this.
Look at this, y'all. Look at this. Look how the blinker is. That's the blinker right there.
Yep.
That's fire. Alright y'all, just put everything together. About to put this back on and do the other side. Alright y'all, both sides done. Now, we about to do these. And, just found this out, the way you get to them is right here. You let go of this, you let go of that. This comes down, and boom, it's right there. Same thing on this side, three nuts right there. Unplug it, let's see how it goes. Alright, so now, this one's pretty much just similar. You take it out, you switch this over. These bolts right here, they're not like, as y'all can tell, it's not direct. So I was just using 8mm wrench. Loosen it at first, and then you can probably just do it with your finger. So now this should be able to come out. Yep, now it just comes out. Woo, look at that, y'all see that? That's straight fire right there. Trunk is a little open. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Ooh, yep, that's the blinker. That's brakes. That's hazard. That line right there, that's with the headlights on. It's a little hard to see, but it's daytime. That's reverse right there. Them little lights, that's reverse. You see who my stunt driver was right there? You see him? My nephew right there is my stunt driver. So I figure I'll show y'all what the tail lights look like at night, because it's mad dark now. Alright y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Lights look pretty good. If you got any questions, any comments, leave them down in the comment section. But until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next one.